Greetings from IAHS 2025. My name is Denzil Daniel, and over the last 4 years, we've been observing rainfall and stream flow in 4 different watersheds in the Western Himalayas. We've been looking at the mid Himalayas because they are important in terms of the dense population within these elevation ranges, and also the recent spread of pine forests overtaking regions previously occupied by oak forests. The question we are asking is, do these forests modulate the year-long water security of their respective watersheds? We studied 4 watersheds along a longitudinal gradient at different elevations, and each watershed around a kilometer square, 1 kilometer square watershed area. And within these headwater catchments, we've been trying to see how the stream flow behaves, stream flow behaves in these watersheds. Three frames to show us where we are in our study. The cumulative monthly stream flow, when plotted on a graph, shows that the pine forest drains all its water in a very flashy manner right immediately after the monsoon, either at the end of the monsoon or the post-monsoon season, leaving little to no water in the dry seasons, while the oak forest has a buffered response, releasing its water gradually throughout the year. But when we look at long duration storms in terms of rainfall and runoff output, the oak forests show a disproportionately high discharge when the storm is very large, 6 to 7 days, a large regional event. This is telling us that there is a large storage component in the oak watersheds, which then release their water into the stream when a certain storage is breached. In terms of water balance, there is a base flow component within the oak forest and little to no base flow component within the pine forest. At this stage of the data, when we just look at the discharge series and the response of the streams to the rainfall, we can at least draw 3 broad statements. In terms of just the oak forest, and the contrary true for the pine forest, the oak forest releases water gradually throughout the year. The storm flow increases disproportionately with rainfall for large duration storms, and the oak forest sustain high base flow. And in terms of our study, it means that they do have a positive water ecosystem service for the watersheds that they service. The study does not stand alone, but is supported by additional data coming from Bowen ratio estimates of stand level evapotranspiration that subsequent papers will talk about. Keep a lookout for the research group from IIT Roorkee led by Professor Sumit Sen and the research coming from this project. Thank you.